gals inside. I wanna get to know you. I hope you get to know me too. Welcome. Hey, beautiful people. Oh, excuse me. Hi, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. Oh. Anyways, I just came on here to say hi. I guess I'm vlogging today. I feel like it's been a while since I've vlogged properly. I feel like I've been doing like a bunch of random videos. Or actually, maybe I have been vlogging. This is totally a sidetrack. So I am back today with another vlog. But then let's just start with this. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Either way, if you're new, if you've been around before, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you click on the bell, and I hope you enjoy this video. So what's today about? Today's the church day. So I am getting ready for church, except I am so unbelievably tired. Like I slept at like 3 o'clock, past 3, and I was at my sister's house last night, so I slept pretty late. Then had to leave hers at 7 a.m. to come back to mine to get ready for church. And I was actually meant to put together, that's why I left so early. I don't know if y'all can see this. This is basically my under sink cabinet. How pretty is this? It's so gorgeous. Like, can you see that detail in here? So I have had this. I bought this like, I think it's been over a week I've had it, but I've not had time to put it together. So I really wanted to put it together. Well, I was meant to do it last night, but I ended up staying over at my sister's because I went to see her for a bit and then I just stayed. So I was going to try and do it this morning, except I am so tired. I am moving so slowly. You know when you're just like, everything hurts, I'm moving slowly, I just want to go to bed. So I now have like 15 minutes before I leave the house, and as much as I'm hoping it's going to be a quick job, I feel like it's not going to take 15 minutes. And I'm trying to decide, should I just start now and then like take everything out and then come back and finish it when I get back from church? Or should I just, like, you know, wait? Do you know what? I'm going to leave it. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to start. Then I'm not going to want to stop. And then, I don't even know. I can't even think. That's how tired I am. I'm not going to want to stop. And then I'll be late for church. I don't know why I'm lying down. I literally do not know why I'm lying down. That's what I'm meant to be wearing for church. I'm going to go finish getting ready. I'm also trying to quickly down some breakfast. Just a quick smoothie. So it's like oats, banana, and cashew milk, actually. And it's the first time I've had cashew milk. And can I just say, I am like in that situation. It is not bad at all. So yeah, I'm just having a bit of that and then some hot chocolates. But yeah, happy church day, everyone. Happy Sunday. So let's do this. Okay. Could someone please explain to me how I went from having 15 spare minutes to running late? Like, how does that even happen every single time? Well, it's probably because I decided to change my purse for no good reason. So I've been using the same purse for about 2 years. Well, which is probably why I should change it. And I've had this for about 2 years because I bought this for myself from Peacocks. And then at the same time I bought this for myself, my sister got this for me as a present, my sister and her husband. And I don't know, it's just, I think I didn't want to change over straight away because I think this is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think it's just like the latch has been coming loose and stuff. So I just decided to change my purse around. And now, somehow, I am now in a rush. But then hopefully my Uber will be here in the next couple minutes. And then I'm free to go. What would you think of that, guys? That is so cute, right? And I've actually got two more. I've got 2 more purses that I've never used. And I've had for, well, I've had one for about 2 years as well. Because I bought 2. So I bought this one and another purse at the same time. And then my sister bought me a purse like a couple months ago, my other sister. So, y'all, I just got purses. I just need the money to put in there now. I don't know what just happened. My bag just hit the table. I think I have like 1 minute. So I'm just going to touch up my nails. Because I was meant to take off this polish yesterday and put on something new. But I didn't get around to it. So I'm just going to fix. Like, if you notice, the tips are a bit of a mess. So I'm just going to fix the tips. But yeah, y'all. I do not want to. You know when you're like, is it just me, or I hate missing praise and worship? Like, to be fair, I am like a worshipper. Like, that's where I get my I'm very much a worshipper. Like, that's where I just get my, I don't know. I was gonna say zhuzh, but I feel like zhuzh is not the right word. I feel like there's just something about worship because it's like communicating to God. It's almost like a form of, it's like love songs to God. So I do not want to miss praise and worship, is what I was trying to say. So that's all I came to say. Y'all don't need to watch me do my nails. Well, hopefully I'll be done in the next few seconds. But y'all don't need to watch this. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful service. And you know, I guess if you're not a Christian or if you don't go to church, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And maybe feel free to pop into church sometimes. Like, you know, one of these Sundays, pop into church. I promise you, it's a lot more fun than you think. You get the glory. You get the praise. You take the honor. I just want to say thank you. Annoying thing is I'm going to have to take off this tonight anyways, because I need to do my nails for next week tonight. But I just thought, as soon as I have time. Where's my Uber? Okay guys, I'm going to go hunt down my Uber. Talk to you later on. Could someone tell me why my Uber is 2 minutes away? It was meant to be here 2 minutes ago. Uber, why do you always do this? Why your time's always wrong? I'm in a rush. I'm always in a rush. Okay, I'm going to down my not so hot chocolate. I feel like I've gone off hot chocolate, guys. I bought one of those sachets, but I bought like 4 of them. And this is the last one. But then all of the times I've made them, I have not got through a whole like cup or mug or glass. Yeah, mug. Like I've drank halfway through and I've been like done. So I'm determined to finish this one. And I'm nearly there, if y'all can see. I'm going to go wait outside because hopefully the Uber is going to be here in 1 minute. But yeah. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. By the way, this is what I'm wearing. So it's basically like a jumpsuit. So I'm wearing a jacket, but then it's basically like this. I guess y'all can see in the mirror as well. Yeah, it's basically like a jumpsuit. Oh, I've got chocolate. I'll take that with me in case I get hungry. Okay. Catch y'all on the flip side. Do people say that? I don't even know what that means. Does anyone know what that means? Obviously, I know what it means. I know how people use it. But then, what does it? Where does it come from? What does catch y'all on the flip side mean? Someone educate a sister, please. Educate a sister. Hey guys. So, as you can see, I am back home. And I'm still tired. And I have not slept, no. But then I've just decided to just put this thing together. Well, I've decided to open up this box, put this together, and then hopefully if it's very easy I can do it quickly. If it's complicated, I'm gonna give up and take a nap. But yeah, I don't know if I told you about this before. So basically, as you can see, it is an under sink cabinet, and I was obsessed about this when I saw this online because of this detailing here and the curved detailing at the bottom here. So it's basically called Camille, and it's from B&M, and they have a whole Camille range. So there are other things that you can get with this pattern and this curve right here. So they've got like a bathroom range, but then I only got the under sink cabinet because I was gonna get like a basic like squarish like nice-ish looking one from Argos, and then I saw this and I was like, oh my baby, and as you can see it was 35 quid, so it wasn't much more expensive than the other stuff you can get on the market. But then before I start talking, let me just open this up. I really want to just get this done today as well because I have so much stuff in the corner that needs to go in the bathroom. But then until I basically put the stuff in the bathroom, can't really do anything. So I really want to just finish unpacking all that stuff. Okay. It looks like there's just quite a few pieces of like wood in there. Now, as per my professional technique, for those of you who saw me put together this wardrobe, y'all know I know how to take stuff out of packaging. Something like that's gonna drop. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's just pop all this back in here. It says it takes 1 hour to put together. I need a hammer, screwdriver, and measuring tape. Okay, I do have all of that. but I can't believe it takes an hour. I was really hoping it was going to take 30 minutes so I could do this, because I'm not even eating, because I just, you know when you think if I eat I'm going to get comfortable, then I'm going to sleep, so let me just do this and then eat and sleep. Okay, first things first, count out the parts. Oh, very good user guide. I don't know if you guys can see, they've put numbers on all the panels, so each individual bit has its own number, which I love. And then they've put numbers on all the screws and all that fun stuff, or letters I should say, on the screws. So first things first, let's find all the relevant parts. This is 10. Then we need, what else is there? This is 9. Okay, this is pretty simple so far. More useless bits or protective bits. How pretty is this? It's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Such a beautiful pattern. So that's basically this bit right here. Does it have a number? 5. There we go. And that's the bottom, 8. So this is actually, I think this is going to be really easy to put together. I'm going to try and do it in less than an hour and see how long that takes me. So what was that? That was, well, I guess if I'm going to do it in less than an hour, it will take me less than an hour. Y'all. Oh, this must be 6. Oh, that says 7 as well. Why did they all say 7? The only bit that's confusing are these 3 parts, which are all kind of similar shape but different sizes, but they all say the same number, and obviously they can't be the same number. Okay, no, so this is 6. Okay, I can't figure out these parts. So one of this is 167. I'm actually looking at the spare parts now, as in the screws and stuff. And look how good this is. So for instance, they've actually put everything in little bags and they've put it in the corresponding letter. So like C. So instead of me sorting it myself like I would with like IKEA, like, you know, as much as I love IKEA, like the sorting takes time, they've actually put everything in the bags and they've basically said what it is. And did I mention this comes with 2 like types of knobs? So you have the diamante ones, or you have like white pearly ones. So you can change up the look in the future. I am going to be using these ones because I'm kind of going for like a silver diamante look, like a mirrored look in the bathroom. So I'm going to be using these ones. But yeah, you get options. So like, let's say I get bored in 6 months time, I can actually use this. I am so in love with this Camille set. So yeah, let's put this in order. This is so easy. So C, D, where's A? Okay, so before I get started, I've gone to gather the parts that I will apparently need according to the user guide, which is a hammer, a screwdriver, and a screwdriver. I don't know the names. Actually, it's got the names there, hasn't it? But then basically, there's 2 different types of screwdrivers, like this, the squirrely one and the straightish one. Or if you want the proper names, a slotted screwdriver and a posy screwdriver. Is that what it's called? And then last but not least, a measuring tape. So yeah, step 1. Okay, so I figured out the weird screws, and just follow the instructions because the instructions are correct. It feels like when you first start doing it, it feels like this screw might be too big for the hole, but then it's not, it's fine. I'm actually tempted to, because I've got this for the bathroom, and I've also got like a shower caddy, like for the bathroom as well, and I'm tempted to just put that together as well today. Just know it's done. Okay, that's that done. Step 3. Oh, Okay, it's coming together, guys. This is obviously the back. What next? So that's step. Don't even know where I'm at. Oh, that's only step 4 or step 5. Okay, so it took an hour and like an hour 15 minutes, but it's done. I think that's it. There we go. There's my under sink cabinet. My under sink cabinet. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty, guys. Like the fact that you can see through this as well is so pretty. There it is. Okay, it's like 10 past 5 or 9 past 5, and all I've had to eat today is a smoothie and half of a Kinder Bueno. But you know what I'm thinking? I might just do the caddy, the bathroom caddy, just so that's done, and then I can actually unpack it during the week, so at least it's all set up. Because the issue is when I get back from work, the last thing I want to do is sit down with this and start putting stuff together. But at least if I've put everything together, it's just a case of unpacking the stuff and putting it in. So I guess hopefully 6 o'clock I can stop and eat lunch. Oh my days, I'm so tired. Okay guys, so the caddy basically took about 15 minutes. As you can see, it's basically like a shower curtain, so it's extendable, but with some baskets on it. So I'm basically just going to slot this into my shower, in between the ceiling and the floor, and it should just fit into place. There is a weight limit with this, just because, well, it's not screwed onto the wall, so you can't put everything and anything on there. But then I think it can take like 5 kilograms, which is pretty good. So I'm going to go do this. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have got the shower caddy in there, so it goes from the ceiling to the bottom of the shower. I'll set this up properly, well, maybe when I wake up or during the week, but at least it's set up and the hard bit's done. It does say on the instructions that you need 2 people to kind of insert it into the shower or wherever you're putting it, and they are right, so I had to get pretty creative, but I did manage to get it like set up by myself. I just had to take it apart and put it back together in the shower. Slightly weird, but all I know is I'm tired and I'm gonna go get food and take a nap. I'll catch up with you guys later on.